Hello everyone, welcome to Law Jagriti YouTube channel. In this video, I wish to take up the topic how to file an online complaint to FSSAI. This means that Food Safety and Standards Authority of India regarding food products and food related grievances. The whole explanation will be in English language. Before proceeding further, please do join our Telegram channel Law Jagriti. I am providing the Telegram channel link in the description box. Firstly, moving on with the contents of the video, general introduction to the topic, introduction to the online portal and explanation regarding the portal. Introduction. Have you ever bought any food which was contaminated with foreign substances in it, or you found the presence of worms, insects, dust particles, etc., or faced any issues regarding the quality and taste of the food product? Here is what you need to know and what you can do. You can visit the website given in the description box and then you can lodge your online complaint through that portal. Introduction to the online portal. What is the purpose and objectives of the food grievance portal? This portal has been developed to enable consumers to lodge a complaint regarding any issues with the packaged food, food premises, online aggregator or food delivery platforms for taking an appropriate action against such complaints and provide timely resolution. This was stated in the FAQ section of the online portal. FAQ means that frequently asked questions. And then what kind of complaints can a consumer submit through this online portal? Any complaint relating to packaged food or food premises or online aggregator or food delivery platforms can be lodged. Kindly visit the website given in the description box. Once you click on the link given in the description box, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now you have to press the button proceed with food related grievance. Here you can see a column consumers register or login. If you are visiting this website for the first time, you need to register, and then if you are a registered user, you can log in directly by clicking on this link login. I completed the registration process, that's why I am proceeding further. Once you enter your credentials, you will be seeing this type of interface. Firstly, they will show you the dashboard where you can see the complaints pending at FSSAI, total number of resolved complaints, total number of closed complaints. If you have to register a new complaint, you have to click on this link, register a new complaint. Once you click on this link, register a new complaint, you will be seeing this type of interface in your web browser. It will be asking you to select the category. You have to select the category. Here they have given 5 type of categories: packaged food, food and catering premises, online aggregator or e-commerce, retailer premises, others. For example, I am selecting the packaged food. If you click on this link, packaged food, it will be asking you the subcategory. The subcategory like dairy product, fats and oils, like which type of subcategory is that? Like I am selecting dairy products. Okay, and then it will be asking you to select the food business operator. Like they have given Amul, etc. If your business operator is not related to that, you can click on this link, other FBO, other food business operator. Then here you will be seeing this interface, product and complaint details. You have to give the document description and then you have to upload the document. This is the supporting document you will be uploading here in the website. Now I am proceeding further. Here it will be asking you the brand name and then the product name which you bought, FSSAI license or registration number if it has, batch number, seller address and state. You have to select your state and then you have to select the district and then you have to select your sub district, and then here they have given the concerns like expired product, expiry or best before date missing, veg or non-veg logo missing, FSSAI license or registered number not mentioned, damaged or puffed pack, foreign material present, others. Right now I am selecting foreign material present. You have to enter your pin code and then here this is the most important part, you have to give your complaint description here and then you have to upload your supporting document here. Okay, at last you will be seeing this interface, enter consumer details. You need to update the details in the profile section. So you have to give your name, email, mobile number, address, state, district, sub district, pin code. After entering all these details you need to press on this button submit. Okay, now I am moving on with another category like food or catering premises. Okay, once you click on that link, you will be seeing the subcategory. Like they have given these many types of subcategories. They have given restaurants, canteen, cafeteria, dhabas, cave, hostel mess, food trucks, takeaways, hotel, etc. Right now I am clicking on the button restaurants. The columns are almost same, but one thing is different. You have to see this. Here they have given concern. You have to select the following concerns. Premises is not clean, rotten food, foreign material present, non-veg food served instead of veg food, pest activity observed, others, food handler is not well, food handler's hygiene is not maintained. See, all these concerns are mentioned here. You can select one of the concern like premises is not clean, rotten food. I am selecting foreign material present. Okay, and then you have to give your pin code, you have to give your complaint description here, and then you need to enter your consumer details, name, your email, mobile number, address, state, district, sub-district, pin code, etc. And then you need to click on this button, submit. This is how you can lodge a complaint through the web portal. Right now, I am moving on with the view complaint button here. You might have registered a complaint. It will be shown here. And then the next button is closed complaint. Like how many complaints have been closed. It will be showing here. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.